Hey, what's up guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install the EGR Slimline in-channel window visors on our 2015 GMC Denali. Here's just a quick little unboxing. It's only one box, so it was super fast. Inside the box is all the window visors you need, so the front, rear, driver's side, and passenger. The tools needed for this install is a general purpose adhesive cleaner and a rag. The first step is removing your old window visors. If that doesn't apply to you, that's awesome. It just means less work for you. Now clean the area with general purpose adhesive cleaner and a rag. Now let's start the actual install. We're starting with the rear window visors, and all you have to do is take off the adhesive tape liner of the rear window visor. Now it's time to roll down the rear window. Now let's fit one side of the EGR window visor into the channel of the window, just like so. Fit the other side of the window visor into the channel, pushing upwards into place. Raise and lower the window at least 5 times to help set the window visor into the rubber window channel, making adjustments if needed. And just like that, you have finished installing a rear EGR window visor. Moving on to the front window visors, take off the adhesive tape liner and then roll down the window. Insert the front side of the window visor with the bottom edge into the window channel. Then insert the other side of the window visor and push up into place. Roll the window up and down at least 5 times to make sure the window visor secures into the window channel, making adjustments if needed. And just like that, you have finished installing the front EGR in-channel window visor. Repeat those steps on the 2 other EGR Slimline in-channel window visors. The EGR Slimline in-channel window visors comes in matte black or a dark smoke finish. Super easy installation, made from impact modified acrylic. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and follow along for more at RHRSwag.com.